Now we will discuss on another two important problems in this session, in this video. That is in fourth one, first one. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that what is given? If a plus b plus c is equal to pi. Fourth Roman. If given that a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then prove that what is given cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2 is equal to 2 into 1 plus sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c. This much we have to prove. Sin a by 2, 1 plus sin a by 2, sin b by 2, sin c by 2. For that, we have to prove what is given. Given condition is a plus b plus c is equal to pi. No problem. Then take LHS. What is LHS? Cos square a by 2 plus cos square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2. Instead of cos square a by b by 2, we can write this can be written as cos square a by 2 plus 1 minus sin square b by 2, we can write plus cos square c by 2. Since cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, that is equal to cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. In that way, we have to solve. If we rearrange the terms over here, 1 plus cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2 plus cos square c by 2, once again you can write 1 minus sin square c by 2. Okay. If we bring 1 to front side, 2 plus cos square a by 2 minus cos square b by 2. That is cos a plus b into, we have the formula cos a plus b into cos a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square b is the formula, sum and product formula. By using the formula, I will write here cos a plus b into cos a minus b is equal to cos square a minus sin square. By using this formula, therefore that is equal to 1 plus 1 2 plus instead of a cos square a, that means taking a instead of a by 2, b by 2. This can be written as cos of a by 2 plus b by 2 into cos of a by 2 minus b by 2. I wrote cos, instead of cos square a by 2 minus sin square b by 2, cos a plus b by 2 into cos a by using this formula. Minus sin square c by 2 is there. So 2 plus, what is the simplification of this one? Cos a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to cos a plus b by 2. By using this, a plus b plus c is equal to pi. I will write one step again here. Cos of a plus b by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 minus sin square c by 2. That means sin c by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay. That means 2 plus cos a plus b by 2. What is cos a plus b by 2? If a plus b plus c is equal to pi, then cos a plus b by 2 is equal to sin c by 2 into cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2 into sin c by 2. If we take 2 plus sin c by 2 as common, what is remaining? Cos a minus b by 2 minus sin c. Okay, that is equal to 2 plus sin c by 2 into cos of a minus b by 2 minus sin c by 2. What is sin c by 2? Here we can write cos a plus b by 2 again, that is minus cos of a plus b by 2. Now it will become as cos c minus cos d. Cos c minus cos d is nothing but 2 plus sin c by 2 into 2 sin d plus c by 2. That means a plus b by 2 plus a minus b by 2 whole divided by 2 into again sin a d minus c. That means a plus b by 2 minus of a minus b by 2 whole divided by 2. That is equal to 2 plus sin c by 2 into 2 into the simplification of this can be written as sin of a plus b plus a minus b by 2 into 2 4 into sin of a plus b minus a minus into minus plus b by 4 2 to the 4. That is equal to 2 plus sin c by 2 into here b cancelled, a plus a 2a by 2 2a by 4, that means sin a by 2 into here a get cancelled, b plus b 2b by 4 means b by 2 sin b by 2. If we bring 2 as common, 1 plus, if we write in an order, sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. This is RHS. Hence proved. This is also an important point. Here what we have to done, instead of cos square b, we change the cos square b into, in terms of sin square. For use cos a plus b into cos a minus b is called cos square a minus cos square. If squares are there, you have to do like this. Okay, one another model, very important model and critical model, that's also in fifth model, that is very important. You have to observe carefully and practice very well. Now we have to take one important model in fifth model. In a triangle ABC, prove that fifth question. In triangle ABC, prove that cos a by 2 plus cos b by 2 plus cos c by 2 is equal to 4 cos of pi minus a by 4 into cos of pi minus b by 4 into cos of pi minus c by 4. Very important model this is. We have to practice very well. The second problem also very most important model. In this way, we have to take Here what is given? In triangle ABC. That means A plus B plus C is equal to pi. This condition is given. By using this condition, we have to prove. That implies given LHS is equal to cos A by 2 plus cos B by 2 plus cos C by 2. Now take first two terms, cos A by 2 plus cos B by 2. That means it is in the form of cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D is nothing but cos 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. Here C is A by 2 and D is D by 2. By using that formula, this can be written as 2 into cos of A by 2 plus B by 2 whole divided by 2 into cos of A by 2 minus B by 2 into the whole divided by 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 plus cos C by 2. Let it be there. Here by simplification 2 into cos A by 2 plus B by 2. That means A plus B by 2 into 2, A plus B by cos of A plus B by 4 into here cos of A minus B by 4 plus what about cos C by 2? By using this, if we can change that into cos C by 2 into sin, that implies A plus B. If A plus B plus C is equal to pi, then cos C by 2 can be written as sin A plus B by 2. We can write here, instead of cos A C by 2, we can write sin A plus B. Already I explained this in formulas. Sin A plus B by 2. Okay. Since A plus B plus C is equal to pi, if we write this can cos of A plus B by 4 into cos of A minus B by 4 into plus this can be written as sin theta can be written as sin 2 into theta by 2. We can write that means 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. For using cos 2 theta, instead of here this is theta, if we take A plus B by 2 as theta, this, by using that formula sin 2 into theta by 2. That means I will write one step again here, sin 2 into A plus B by 4. Okay. That means 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. That is equal to 2 into cos of A plus B by 4 into cos of A minus B by 4 plus sin 2 into A plus B by 4. It is in the form of sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. That means 2 into sin A plus B by 4 into cos of A plus B by 4. Here cos of A plus B by 4, cos of A plus B by 4 is common, 2 and 2 is common. So we take 2 into cos of A plus B by 4 as common. The remaining part will be cos of A minus B by 4 plus sin A plus B by 4. Sin A plus B by 4. To use sin C plus sin D or cos C plus cos D or cos C minus cos D or sin C minus sin D formula, we can change this sin. We can write sin theta is equal to cos pi by 2 minus theta. Cos pi by 2 minus theta we can write. instead of sine, take this as theta, sine theta, sine pi by 2 minus of a plus b by 2. We can write. Oh, by using that logic, 2 cos of a plus b by 4 into cos of a minus b by 4 plus, instead of sin theta, we can write that as cos pi by 2 minus theta. That means cos of pi by 2 minus of a plus b by 4. Okay. Have you understood this step? Now take this as c, this much as d. Now it becomes cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is equal to cos c plus d by 2 into 2 cos c plus d by 2 into 2 cos c minus d by 2. By using that, 2 cos a plus b by 4 is there into 2 cos c means a minus b by 4 plus d means pi by 2 minus of a plus b by 4 whole divided by 2. Okay. Into cos of c minus d by 2. That means a minus b by 4 minus pi by 2 minus a plus b by 4 whole divided by 2. Okay. By the simplification, 2 into 2, 4. So write cos a plus b by 4 into cos of, the simplification of this is, I will write here a plus b by 4 plus pi by 2 minus of a plus b minus a minus of a plus b by 4. This can be written as, by taking 4 as LCM, this can be written as a plus b plus 2 times 2 pi minus a minus b. That is b get cancelled, 4 a get cancelled, 2 pi sorry, a minus b is there, a minus b. So 2 pi minus 2b, a get cancelled, 2 pi minus 2b by 4 by 8. That means the simplification of this much is a minus b plus 2 pi minus a minus b by 4 to the 8. Similarly here, cos of a minus b minus 2 pi minus into minus plus a plus b by 4 to the 8. Okay. Now that is equal to 4 cos a plus b by 4 into, the simplification of this is b get cancelled, a get cancelled, 2 pi minus 2p, cos of 2 pi minus 2b by 8 into, again cos of here b get cancelled, so a 2a minus 2 pi by 8. Okay. Therefore, that implies LHS is equal to 4 cos a plus b by 4 into, here if we take 2 as common, 4 times it will cancel in 8. Pi minus b by 8. Cos of pi minus b by 8. I'm sorry, for 4. If we divide numerator and denominator with the 2. Again here also, if we divide with 2, numerator and denominator, a minus pi by 8. This can be written as cos of minus of pi minus a by 4. Okay, by taking minus let's come. Here we know, here what is given, a plus b plus c is equal to pi. That implies a plus b is equal to pi minus c. That implies a plus b by 4 is equal to pi minus c by 4. Instead of a plus b by 4, we can write pi minus c by 4. By using that, 4 into cos pi minus c by 4 into cos of pi minus b by 4 into, here cos of minus theta. We know that cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. By using this, cos of minus of pi minus a by 4 is equal to cos pi minus a by 4. If you rewrite the terms in an order, we can write cos of pi minus a by 4 into cos of pi minus b by 4 into cos of pi minus c by 4. This is what we have to require to RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. That is implies and proved. This is very important model. In this model, you will get 7 marks problem in your coming IPE exam. You have to practice very well. In this model, 4 problems are there. You have to solve these 4 problems frequently. Okay. Okay. Bye. One another model is there. Very important problem. That is 6th problem. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, then prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to 1 plus 4 sin a sin b sin c. We have to prove. To prove this, it is a simple model, direct model. What is given? Proof. Okay, I am going to prove what is given here. Given a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2. That implies a plus b is equal to pi by 2 minus c by 2. We have to look after the formulas where the problems we already written. Okay. Now, take LHS. What is LHS? Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. By taking these two in cos c plus cos b, by using the formula, this can be written as cos c plus cos b. That means 2 cos c plus d by 2. That means 2a plus 2b by 2 into cos 2a minus 2b by 2. By using cos c plus cos d by formula, this can be written as let it remain 2c. Here 2 cos, if we simplify this by dividing with 2, this can be written as cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Now we have to look what we have to do about cos 2c. cos a plus b is there. So if a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, that implies a plus b is equal to pi by 2 minus c. Cos a plus b means, that implies cos a plus b means cos of pi by 2 minus c, that is equal to sin c. If a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2, then cos of a plus b is equal to sin c. Instead of cos a plus b, we can write as sin c. For that, we have to change this cos to in terms of sin c. This can be written as cos to a in terms of sin is 1 minus 2 sin square c. Okay. So this can be written cos a plus b. Instead of cos a plus b, we can write sin c into cos a minus b plus 1 minus 2 sin square c. Since sin c is there, we have to, so that we have to change cos to in terms of sin. If we bring this 1 to front side, 1 plus these in these two terms 2 sin c, we can take as common. The remaining part is cos of a minus b minus sin c. This is because 1 plus 2 sin c into cos a minus b. Now we have to take sin c into cos term. How can we change? Sin c in term sin c. If a plus b plus sin c, a plus b plus c is equal to pi by 2. Then sin c pi by 2. Instead of sin c, we can write cos of a plus b minus cos of a plus b. Okay. That is equal to 1 plus 2 sin c into, it is in the form of cos c minus cos b. That means we can write as 2 sin b plus c by 2, a plus b plus a minus b by 2 into sin b minus c by 2, that is a plus b minus a minus into minus plus b by 2. By the simplification, 1 plus 2 sin c into 2 sin, here b get cancelled, 2a by 2 is sin a. Similarly, here a get cancelled, b plus b, 2b by 2 is sin b. If we rearrange the terms in order, 2 to the 4 sin a, sin b, sin c, which we have to prove. That is equal to RHS. Hence, proved. This is also a very important problem. You have to practice very well and get full marks in trigonometry. Okay. This is the end of